Hello guys, let us start today's analysis. Today is 8th May, Nifty chart, and you see before that as we do, let us review previous day what happened. Previous day was kind of trending day. This is the high, this is low, and uh, it is trending day, and then here the market took some support, and then we have marked PDL and PDH as we do, and let us start from the first candle today. What happened? The first candle is a first candle breakout trade. This is closed below the PDL, and when it happens, as we say that whenever the important level is broken by any candle, we should take the trade. If it is happen on the upside, it will be above the PDH, or lower side on the PDL. And it should be done by first candle. But the problem is this candle is not bearish candle. This half the body and the wicks is very big on the downside. So such candle cannot be treated as bearish candle. So you cannot take trade because it has a long wicks below. It has to be bearish or bullish candle. Whenever you take the trade, you need to have a confirmation. Whenever we go long, we must go on the bullish candle, and whenever we go short, it should be red, proper red or bearish candle. So this is neutral candle. We can say neutral candle. There is no trade on this candle. So what happens is today's average to white CPR, and yesterday was a trending day. So there's low probability that market will again go in the same direction. It can consolidate or can reverse, but it's all probabilities. It can even happen that on the white CPR day, market can be trending. These are the probabilities. Whenever we see the our views are going wrong, we should take our stop loss and exit the trade. We should never fight with the market because it is all probabilities. Now, first candle there is no trade. Second candle is nothing has happened. The top is not broken. Now, when such things happen that the top is broken or the bottom is broken, we cannot go long for the first candle. Even the first candle top is broken, there is a CPR here. I told you CPR can act as a strong resistance or support, and that is what has happened today. I'll explain it later. So here there is no trade, and then as I told you, the first 12 candles, that is first 1 hour of the market, is initial low and initial high, initial balance low and high, IBH and IBL it is called. So first 12 candle, I think this is the 12th candle, and 10 15, yeah, 10 15, this is, so this is the high. This is the high of the first 1 hour, and this is the low of the first 1 hour. Now what happens here? um, unless these two levels are broken, or it retraces. Now here the market fell from this side up to here, and this, okay, although it is a red candle body and then there's a breaks. Suppose now this is a 5 minute candle. Suppose we break this candle into, say, 1 minute or 2 minute or 3 minutes candle. So you can see that first candle will be red, and then there is, like, from the bottom somewhere it is green. So this is a candidate for W pattern. Whenever some candle reverses from this point, we can treat it as W pattern or reversal trade. And that is what has happened. This candle came, this touched the low of this candle, first candle low, and the day's low also. And this candle, the green candle, this is exactly given the confirmation. Whenever we trade, we should trade on the proper confirmation. On this red candle we cannot trade. This will be ambush entry if you trade here by expecting that market will go up. But you can take ambush entry if you are very, like, 10 15 years of experience and you know how market will behave that time. But for for confirmation, you should always wait for candle closure, and once the candle is formed and it is given you the proper signal, yeah, it's a bullish candle on a proper support of this support, you can go long. Now when you go long here, this is 10:35 candle. You will enter on this point. Your stop loss is here, and 1:2 risk reward. You should exit here, somewhere here or days high, whatever this points. So the first trade hits your profit target. Okay. Now this candle, if you see, this was the initial high and initial balance high and initial balance low. So initial balance high is broken by this candle. And it is broken properly. Like in any other day, this would have been a proper breakout trade, but today it won't work because, as I told you, CPR is the strong resistance or support. So other days you should enter here, stop loss here, and 2 is the target. But today you cannot because uh, there is a CPR, immediate CPR. It could have broken CPR and your target would have hit, but we should follow the risk reward. There is immediate resistance, so there is no trade on this candle. Now is this has consolidated and it reached here, and there is I think previous videos I've told once, if the market is coming from bottom to CPR and within CPR there is a proper reversal candle, you should take the trade. This is called CPR reversal trade. Okay, if the market is coming from top to CPR, then it should be a green candle. If market is coming from bottom to CPR, it should be red candle. That is a reversal candle confirmation. Now this candle is a indication that we should go short. Now here, if you go short on this candle, you cannot have your stop loss immediately on the candle. As I told you, if there is a pivot or some indicator or some support resistance, you must keep your stop loss above that, because candle has a tendency to retrace to the support and resistance most of the time. So when you enter here, your stop loss should be here, and double the stop loss is your profit. So in this trade also, the profit target hits. You can take trade here or here. This is also a good trade on this point, where I think 125 candle. So if you take trade here, stop loss on top, because this is giving the confirmation that this is going to reverse. This is unable to break the CPR. When it reversed, and you should exit the trade. That's it. There were 2 trades for today. There are no other trades. That's it, guys. Thank you.